I wind the old clock every morning. The road is winding through the hills right now. I have just wound the string around the spool. I have been winding wool into balls all afternoon. I wound the bandage around my wrist yesterday. I was winding the film into the camera when it jammed. I had wound the grandfather clock before we left for the weekend. I had been winding the same tune on the music box for hours before it broke. I will wind the watch before I go to bed tonight. I will be winding cables at the theater all evening. I will have wound every reel by the end of the shift. By spring, I will have been winding this antique clock for a year.